massaging, we have the last step is face pack. We'll make face pack by mixing fuller's earth, that is multani mitti, 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon. Then all the fruit juices, what we have is apple juice, very little quantity because then it will become very thin. We have to, the consistency should be like a paste. I mixed cucumber, orange, apple, lime and mango. This is a drying pack. It dries. After drying you can wash it. You can even apply a mask without fuller's earth, that is only mix all the fruits, little pulp and apply, but then we are using fuller's earth because the effect is better than applying it only as a juice. The pack should be applied with finger because with brush it will not be even. Applying pack with finger works more because with the pack should be thick. After applying pack, just keep cucumber slices on the eye so that it gives a cooling effect. This was the last step of fruit facial, which is a face pack. Fruit facial is very effective. It's natural. First of all, it's very natural. There's no chemicals. We don't use any chemicals while doing natural fruit facial. Fruit facial also helps for sensitive skin, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin. But usually I have people who want to do fruit facial is for sensitive skin, because sometimes for sensitive skin we use products like fruit facial kits and all, they don't suit, it doesn't suit their skin. So fruit facial suits for all skin type. It gives definitely very good glow, even reduces pimples, wrinkles. It is done according to the season, whatever season fruits are available in the market you can use, but except chiku you can use strawberries, cherries, mango, banana, cucumber, lime, even aloe vera. Aloe vera is also very good while doing fruit facial. As a scrub you can use gram flour and almond powder. You can make powder by grinding almonds. You can use as a scrub. You can even use orange, you can use sweet lime, and then it's very effective and very nice. I prefer doing fruit facial for myself too. Fruits which should not be used while doing fruit facial is chiku, jackfruit, guava. You can use tender coconut. You can use papaya, which is very good for skin. Papaya also should be used when you have open pores. You can use papaya juice every day on the skin.
Now, we will have a look at the makeup you can do within 5 minutes. 5 minutes from your busy schedule during the Chavath. Have a look. It's simple and easy.
Now I am doing a waterproof makeup which can be done for Ganesh Chaturthi. First step before doing makeup is you have to cleanse the face with a cleansing milk. Wipe the face with cotton. Then start the makeup by applying a primer, gel transparent primer before doing makeup. Then concealing, one shade lighter than her skin tone. Take a sponge and spread the concealer evenly. With a wet sponge you have to spread it properly so that there's no patches on the face. The second step is illuminizer, which gives shine to the skin, dots on the face and neck. This is a shimmering foundation, which after applying you get a very little glittering effect. Now compact powder with a powder brush. Now I will apply a eyeshadow for her. I've used 4 colors, that is green, pink, gold and purple, that is smoky. I've given smoky over here. Now after eyeshadow I'll apply eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner which is very easy to apply. Start from the corner of eye. Now kajal. I'm going to apply a thick kajal for her because she got very small eye. Start from the corner again. After kajal, I'll apply a lipstick for her. First give shape with a brush or a lip pencil. Last is blusher. After blusher, just take shimmer and apply for the cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Last but not the least, a little shimmer on the eye, which will give you complete eye makeup. I'm applying mascara for her. She's got a very beautiful eyelashes. I'm enhancing it more beautifully.
And how can we forget the Mehndi? Mehndi holds a lot of cultural significance in Indian tradition. Chavath is one such festival. The new styles and designs of Mehndi are coming up, adding glamour and fun to it. Have a look.
Now I'm going to show you Mehndi, which is preferable for Ganesh Chaturthi.
I hope you liked today's special episode on Chaturthi festival. We'll bring you more and something nice. Till then, take care and goodbye.